Hi Carlos, just say some few words. How you feel today?
I'm so happy and in the festival mood that I first time I've come for this festival, and so many years I've never knew this tradition, and today the Gumot I've come. I'm so thrilled and I'm so enjoying. You know, it's a new world for me, and I never knew this festival would exist, and
So you're all excited for today.
all
huh?
excited, and I want to just save this festival through my music. Gumot.
Please, can I like to have tea, please? No, it will be actually. Glass of water. Now.
On the taste, this is Goan Lathod.
Panchayat and the health center.
Rita, okay, Rita. Okay. So what you have prepared today?
Pardon me.
So
What you have prepared today?
Lathod.
Lathod, okay, yeah. Okay, what are the ingredients in the sweet?
Ingredient rice, jaggery and coconut.
Okay, rice, jaggery and coconut.
Yes.
Okay.
for the Goa Police Band. Alex
Thank you.